Hello, my friends. Have you ever stopped to wonder why some desires come to life so effortlessly while others seem like they'll never manifest, no matter how much effort you put in? It might feel like luck or chance, but what if I told you there's a divine principle behind it, a mystical law that governs the process of creation? This law is as reliable as gravity, and once you understand it, you hold the key to abundance, joy, and fulfillment in your hands. The concept is simple yet profound. Every event in your life, every condition, and every experience begins as a seed planted in the soil of your mind. Your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings are the seeds, and the outer world is the harvest. What you consciously or unconsciously plant within must, in time, bear fruit. The universe does not discriminate, it responds to the quality of your seeds with perfect precision. The question is, what are you planting? When you focus on an idea or desire, you're essentially planting a seed. But planting isn't enough, you must nurture it with faith and allow it time to grow. Too often, people plant seeds of doubt and fear rather than faith and abundance. They may dream of wealth but dwell on thoughts of lack. They wish for love but harbor feelings of unworthiness. These conflicting seeds produce mixed harvests, leaving them confused and unfulfilled. To align yourself with the mystical law of seed time and harvest, you must first become deliberate about the seeds you plant. Begin by observing your habitual thoughts and identifying those that contradict your desires. Replace them with affirmations of what you wish to experience. Speak these affirmations as though they are already true, for the act of claiming your desire as real is the watering that helps your seed grow. Faith plays a crucial role in this process. Without faith, the seed cannot take root. But faith is not a mere hope or wish, it's the unwavering conviction that what you desire already exists in the unseen realm. Faith bridges the gap between the invisible and the visible, allowing your desire to move from imagination to reality. You might ask, how can I have faith when I see no evidence of my desire? The answer lies in understanding that the unseen is the foundation of all that is seen. Just as a farmer trusts the seed to sprout long before it breaks through the soil, you must trust that your unseen desires are taking root and growing in their appointed time. One of the greatest challenges is patience. After planting a seed, there is always a waiting period before the harvest. This waiting period is where many people falter. They dig up their seeds with doubt, fear, and frustration, undoing the work they've done. Understand this, just because you don't see immediate results doesn't mean the law isn't working. Trust the process, and keep nurturing your desire with faith, gratitude, and positive expectation. The scriptures teach us that, as you sow, so shall you reap. This is not just a moral teaching but a mystical truth. Every thought and feeling you sow into your consciousness will eventually manifest in your experience. Therefore, be vigilant about what you're planting. Are your daily thoughts aligned with your highest good? Are your emotions fertilizing seeds of abundance or scarcity? Only you can answer these questions, and only you can change the harvest by changing the seeds. Imagination is the tool through which you plant your seeds. Everything begins with imagination, it's the workshop of creation. When you vividly imagine a scenario as though it's already real, you are impressing that idea upon the subconscious mind, which will work tirelessly to bring it into form. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you desire. See it clearly, feel the joy, hear the sounds, and taste the sweetness of your fulfilled dream. This isn't mere daydreaming, it's planting seeds of reality in the fertile soil of your mind. Do this consistently, and you'll find that your outer world begins to rearrange itself to match the inner vision you've nurtured. The law of seed time and harvest is neutral. It doesn't care whether the seeds you plant are positive or negative, it simply brings forth what you sow. If you focus on lack, fear, or resentment, the harvest will reflect those seeds. If you dwell on abundance, love, and gratitude, the harvest will mirror those qualities instead. This is why it's crucial to guard your mind. Negative thoughts are like weeds that choke the growth of your desired seeds. When you catch yourself entertaining such thoughts, gently redirect your focus to something uplifting and constructive. You have the power to choose what grows in the garden of your mind. Gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to nourish your seeds. When you feel grateful for something, even before it appears, you accelerate its manifestation. Gratitude is like sunlight to the seeds in your mind, it energizes and strengthens them. Begin and end each day with a heart full of gratitude. Give thanks not only for what you have but also for what you are calling into existence. In doing so, you align yourself with the energy of abundance and invite more of it into your life. Whether you realize it or not, you're always planting seeds. Every thought, word, and feeling is a seed that will eventually bear fruit. Once you grasp this, you'll understand that your life is not a series of random events but a perfect reflection of the seeds you've sown over time. The good news is that you can start planting new seeds at any moment. No matter what your past harvests have been, you have the power to create a new future by changing your thoughts today. Let go of the need to control every detail of how your desire will manifest. Your job is to plant the seed and trust the divine process. The how is not your concern, it is the work of the infinite intelligence that governs the universe. Trust that your seed will sprout in its appointed time, and focus on living in alignment with your desired outcome. The law of seed time and harvest is not a mystery to be solved but a truth to be lived. Apply it consciously, and you will see the undeniable power it holds to bring abundance, joy, and fulfillment into your life. Every experience in your life stems from the seeds you've planted in the fertile soil of your consciousness. But let's explore a crucial aspect of this mystical process that often goes unnoticed: the nature of the harvest itself. The harvest is never random or chaotic, it is a precise reflection of the quality and type of seed sown. If you observe your life closely, you'll see patterns that reveal the state of your inner world. This awareness isn't a cause for blame or regret, it's an opportunity for clarity and empowerment. When the harvest doesn't match your desires, the solution isn't to force the outer world to change. Instead, shift your focus inward. What thoughts have dominated your mind? What emotions have you indulged? These are the true determinants of your experiences. The outer world is merely a mirror reflecting the invisible work of consciousness. Yet, there's something even more profound: the harvest often exceeds the size of the seed. A single thought of love can ripple into relationships filled with harmony and joy. A small act of kindness can multiply into a wave of goodwill returning to you in unexpected ways. The mystical law of seed time and harvest teaches that the smallest intentional shift within can yield extraordinary outcomes in the external world. Let's shift our focus to perception, another pivotal factor in this divine law. How you perceive the world significantly influences the seeds you plant. If you see challenges as obstacles, your thoughts may spiral into frustration or defeat. But if you perceive the same challenges as opportunities for growth, your inner dialogue shifts to one of empowerment and resilience. Perception acts as a filter, determining the quality of the seeds you sow and, ultimately, the harvest you reap. Think about it: two people can face the same situation but have entirely different experiences based on their perceptions. This is why cultivating a mindset of gratitude and optimism is so transformative. When you view life through a lens of abundance, even the smallest blessings seem to grow. Perception is not just a passive act, it's a creative force. By consciously choosing to see the good in every situation, you align yourself with the vibration of abundance and plant seeds of positivity that yield bountiful results.